Here's a Panasonic FZ82 camera and it has a red LED here in the front. Let's see how to disable that LED, how to turn it off. So whenever I halfway press the shutter button, notice that red lamp. So let's disable it. Currently the camera is in P mode. P. Okay, and if we press the menu button here in the center, go to this wrench with a C on it. Okay, and go to the second page. Here we have autofocus assist lamp. Set it to off. Okay, now press this left button here to exit the menu. And now if we press the shutter halfway, now the LED will not come on. It is totally black, dark. Of course, if you point the camera to a well-lit area, then it will not come on. You have to point it to a darker area, and then it will come on. If the camera is, let's say, in P mode, then that lamp is disabled, and you can see it in the menu also. Autofocus assist lamp is off. Okay, but if you switch to auto, then that lamp will automatically enable itself. Autofocus assist lamp is grayed out and it's on. But if you switch it back, it will be on off again.